Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a VEVOR Guillotine cutter. So let's open up, take a look, see everything that we get inside, and see how it works. I got some newspaper blank prints, so we'll be able to cut through that. And sometimes that's more the aggressive papers to cut. So let's see what we got going on here. I mean, this is great for like crafts, crafters, DIY. I have a business where I'm always like cutting paper up to make like little instructions and stuff. So anyway, let's open this up. So right away, we got some foam, and this is the cutter. Open this up. And I mean, this is a big guy. So let me try to hold this like a pizza while I get this box out of the way. All right. So here's the cutter, and it's packed really good. My goodness, I can't even get out of the packing. There we go. Okay, so that's more of the packing material, and we'll just put that down out of the way. Okay, so as you can tell, that is it's magnetic. I did not know it was magnetic. That is really cool. So that is like a little magnetic guide you can set up for your papers, so they sit in there nice and good, nice and square. That, I'm pretty amazed at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, make sure you are always safe with this. Okay, so the safety latch is basically you pushing that out and then setting it back in. So it's that nice little form there. So that holds that up and goes up. Nice spring loaded, very sharp. And then this is a holder for your sheets. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so first things first, let's close this down for safety purposes. And I think it's 10 sheets of newspaper type paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've tried to cut these in half with my other paper cutter, and it just doesn't go through. It just doesn't work. And I'm sure if you have those slide paper cutters, or if you have a guillotine, you probably have like a lighter weight one. I'm just trying to get these nice and symmetrical, nice and straight. So I'm sure if you've had those, you've had some difficulties cutting some big sheets. So with this one, we are going to open up the guillotine. And I love how it just has that nice, cool paper holder. So it's got a tape measure edge on this one. So we'll make these, and again, I don't have these in here perfect, so we're gonna make a 12-inch cut. I'll try to get this a little bit better. As I block the camera, so I'm shuffling the paper down. I think we might have it now, so it's nice and straight. Probably pretty close. I think we have it pretty close. Okay, so we're gonna make a 12-inch cut across here. Line that up nice and straight. I give it a couple taps. Hold that up there. Then we got the lines so we can make it nice and straight. And then, like I said, I love how this is a little magnetic. It actually goes through the paper a little bit too. So that's 10 sheets of paper, and that magnet is, done a nice job at holding. So we'll put this down here, kind of hold that. So as we're cutting, the guillotine will come down, and that little bar will hold that and protect you. And then we're going to cut through like butter. That was 10 sheets. I went through like super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up. And that was on the side. So now we're going to fold this. So basically that's going to be 20 sheets of paper. So we are going to line that up there. And we're going to actually put this towards me, so I can do that. And then I'm just going to cut a little edge off. So again, I'm going to line this up on like the 11 mark right here. And then that comes down, holds it. And And that's 20 sheets folded over. Let me open it up so I can release it. And that is 20 sheets basically cut nice and straight so you can see that nice edge on it. That's 20 sheets of paper. I challenge you to try that on your regular Guillotine paper cutter. It's just remarkable. So let's line this up again. We're going to open this up, and I love how it's got that paper holder so you can line it up nice and straight. Put that down, and again, that's 10 sheets. I keep locking this down. I'll get used to it. So, but yeah, that is great. So if you are looking for to cut anything through, you know, paper, any of your craft material, cardboard. Let's try some cardboard. Let me try cardboard sheets. Give me 1 second. So that is a cardboard piece. And that's pretty thick. So you can see, it's like pretty thick cardboard stock. So I'm going to lift this up, put it right at the 4-inch mark, down, and again. Super easy, and it really locks that down into place. But a nice, clean, straight edge on that, so you can kind of see. But yeah, anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal with your super large platform, little accessories, paper cutter from VEVOR. All you'll ever need. Anyway, be safe out there.